So today is finally the day that this stock little 5.3 won't be stock anymore, okay? So we are going to be installing the BTR, that's Brian Tooley Racing camshaft, okay? This is a stage 4. I got pretty much everything to go with it. I bought it off Amazon. Apparently the rest of the valve sims and stuff, and I forget what else it was. That they come with the valve steels. We got valve springs, we got retainers, pretty much a full kit. The only thing I'm not doing is obviously lifters. I don't know how much longer this engine's got in it, and I really don't want to spend the extra money if I'm gonna ruin, you know, say GM LS7 style lifters, and I really don't want to spend the money, and then that just, you know, two passes in, oil pump goes, and it just fries the whole motor. So what I'm gonna go ahead, let's get a sound clip of what the little 5.3 stock cam sounds like, just to have a little memory of this little girl. Yep, pretty stock. Pretty stock, man. Well, I got the pan off. Pan's looking pretty fresh. I don't know what those are. What does it look like? Oh, that's all that splatter from the welding. Yeah, that's good though. Oil doesn't look bad. How's the pickup tube look?
More splatter. I can't really see in it.
Pretty good. So, I think what I'm gonna do, guys, is replace the oil pump wherever that went, and then the oil pickup, just to be cautious. So right over there. Yeah, replace the oil pump. Let's see who's got something local real fast. So, I had this great idea I have the ARP head studs. Might as well throw them on. And then Zach's like, yeah, it'll be the easy thing to do. And I started looking, well, the manifold's gotta come off now. And that sucks on this thing. So, that's what we're doing right now. And I hope this goes well. I hope I don't have to pull this manifold completely off, because I really don't have the time to do that. I want this thing done tonight. It probably won't be done tonight. While Zach cleans off the valve covers, I actually can't use these. Turns out they're the wrong ones. But luck. Now what you're gonna wanna do is line up the dot right here. There's one dot, if you guys can see it. And then dot right here, you're gonna line that up. You're gonna do number 1 and number 6 right here, this one. And replace the valve springs first, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Both valve springs are off. Alrighty. Now just 16 more to go. Well, I got the cam out, and what I had to do, I put these dowels in there to hold up the actual lifters, and then I actually had to drop the radiator down just a hair to actually pull it completely out. And it looks like, might as well, do I go ahead and replace the bearing, or do I run it? I don't know. Alright, so we got the valve springs in, that's looking good. I'm not gonna do anything about the cam bearing. Honestly, yeah, it's stupid, but to actually change those out, you gotta pull the engine. And I'm just not, I don't really care. It's a $300 cam, okay, a $400 engine. It's called the budget. I'm gonna run it. I don't feel anything wrong with the bearing. It looks like crap, don't get me wrong. But let's go ahead, install the stage 4. Let's get this thing fully done today. Today is Sunday, I've been slacking. I have not been touching this car. I feel like every other day I'm working on this, but let's go ahead and get this bad boy installed and let's make some real power. Just need to put the valve covers on. The front end's pretty much done. I gotta put coolant and then fix the oil pressure switch. The line itself, I think I just need to cut it and re-put the compression fitting in there. But other than that, this thing is ready to go. I just got to put oil in it, and like I said, the valve covers, and then we can start it. So everything is now put back together. Look how shiny the valve covers are, cleaned up. Everything's good. I just went ahead and bled the system just a little bit. I'll still need to run it, obviously. Now is the time. I'm gonna go ahead and go into the Holley system here and change the camshaft duration to what I have, and hopefully this is gonna be a good bass tune where it's not running either too rich or too lean. I'm a little nervous, not gonna lie, but I just need to suck it up and start it up. I got a dyno on Friday that I had to go to, so this thing could put down some power. I guess I'll start it up, I don't know. Woo. It no started. Now I think I'll check everything over, make sure everything's still plugged in correctly. Everything looks good. I know the fuel pump's priming. Give it some gas. Huh, wonder what the hell's going on here. I went ahead and changed the cam duration. From the look of it, I thought I was gonna go with the 224 and 230 intake duration, but I went ahead and followed the 274 and 280. Hopefully it starts. Still nothing. What the hell's going on? So I tore everything apart real fast, and I was off timing a pretty good amount. I completely forgot about that. What I'm gonna do now, honestly, I'm just gonna start it up, and just like this, no water pump, no accessories. I'm just gonna start it up, make sure it runs real fast before I tear everything back down. What the... Alright, got it retimed for the third time here. Alright, first startup. I really hope I didn't bend all the valves. Woo! Scared ya? Jeez, it scared the shit out of me. So, right now, I'm checking compression. I double checked my timing marks, and the marks were super off, and I'm pretty sure I bent all my valves, or a lot of my valves. So what we're doing now is a leak down test and seeing.
That's intake. Exhaust.
And exhaust?
Yeah, you can feel it coming out. Damn.
That side's fine. This side's fucked?
Yeah, you can feel it.
Oh yeah. Yep, there we are. So, obviously now, I need to pull the heads or find another engine to put back in for this Friday's dyno. Thanks for watching. Do it for Dale, and no, see you later. So thanks for watching. If you did, leave a like, subscribe if you guys are new. I'll see you guys in the next video.